Here are the top 10 animals that kill the most humans every year. And surprisingly, snails are on this list. Every year, millions of people die due to encounters with animals. While some deaths are caused by predators we expect, like crocodiles or lions, many of the deadliest animals in the world are small, unassuming creatures you'd never think twice about. In this video, we'll dive deep into each animal on this shocking list, explain why they're so deadly, and share real-life stories that will make you rethink your next trip outdoors. Now, let's count down from number 10 to number 1, the most dangerous animals to humans on the planet. Number 10. Elephants. Elephants are often seen as gentle giants, admired for their intelligence, memory, and emotional depth. However, they can also be incredibly dangerous when provoked. Every year, elephants are responsible for approximately 100 human deaths. Most fatalities occur in rural parts of Africa and Asia, where humans and elephants share the same space. When elephants feel threatened or when humans encroach on their territory, they can become aggressive. Their sheer size and strength make any attack deadly. One terrifying example happened in India in 2022, when a female elephant, believed to be retaliating after losing a calf, stormed into a village and trampled several houses. These animals can weigh over 6 tons and are capable of flipping cars, destroying entire buildings, and crushing a human in seconds. Despite their potential danger, elephants are not inherently aggressive. Many attacks happen because of human encroachment on their natural habitat. This clash between humans and wildlife is a growing problem. Number 9. Hippos. You might think hippos are slow and lazy, but they are one of Africa's most feared animals. Each year, hippos kill around 500 people. They are extremely territorial and aggressive, especially in the water. Hippos can run faster than most humans, up to 30 km/h on land, and they can easily overturn boats. Their massive jaws and sharp teeth can crush a person or even bite a small boat in half. A real-life example of their danger occurred when a small boat carrying tourists capsized in the Niger River. A hippo attacked, killing several passengers in seconds. Hippos may look comical with their wide mouths and short legs, but they are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Number 8. Crocodiles. Crocodiles kill around 1,000 people every year. These ancient reptiles are ambush predators, capable of striking with lightning speed from the water's edge. Most attacks occur in Africa and Southeast Asia. Crocodiles often wait near riverbanks or shallow waters where people bathe, fish, or collect water. When they attack, it's usually fatal, as their jaws exert one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom. In 2019, a devastating attack in Uganda left an entire community in shock when a crocodile dragged a young fisherman into the water, never to be seen again. These predators are stealthy, patient, and incredibly strong. Number 7. Hookworms, parasitic worms. While they may not seem threatening, hookworms and other parasitic worms cause around 2,700 human deaths annually. These tiny creatures live inside the human body, often infecting the intestines and slowly causing severe health problems. Hookworm infections are common in areas with poor sanitation. People can become infected simply by walking barefoot on contaminated soil. Once inside the body, these parasites feed on blood, causing anemia and other serious conditions. Many victims don't realize they are infected until it's too late. This silent, invisible threat makes hookworms particularly dangerous, especially in developing countries. Number 6. Assassin bugs, kissing bugs. Assassin bugs, also called kissing bugs, are responsible for about 10,000 deaths each year. They carry Chagas disease, a potentially fatal illness that affects the heart and digestive system. These insects feed on human blood, usually at night. They often bite near the lips, which is why they're called kissing bugs. The bite itself isn't deadly, but the parasites they transmit can cause life-threatening complications if untreated. In South America, Chagas disease has devastated communities for decades. Many victims suffer for years before symptoms appear, making prevention and early detection critical. Number 5. Tsetse flies. The tsetse fly, found in sub-Saharan Africa, is infamous for spreading African sleeping sickness, a disease that kills about 10,000 people every year. The bite of a tsetse fly may seem harmless at first, but the parasite it carries can invade the nervous system, causing confusion, seizures, and eventually, death. Entire villages in Africa have been devastated by this tiny insect. Eradication programs and insect control measures have helped reduce cases, but the tsetse fly remains one of the deadliest insects on Earth. Number 4. Freshwater snails. Now, here's the surprise. Freshwater snails kill around 20,000 people each year. They carry parasitic worms that cause schistosomiasis, a disease that damages internal organs and can be fatal if untreated. These snails live in lakes and rivers, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. When people swim or bathe in contaminated water, the parasites can penetrate the skin and begin their deadly journey inside the body. Schistosomiasis is a silent killer. Symptoms may not appear for weeks or months, and by then, the parasites have already caused significant damage. The fact that such a small, harmless-looking creature is responsible for so many deaths is shocking. Number 3. Stray dogs. Rabies. Stray dogs are responsible for more than 25,000 human deaths every year, primarily because of rabies. Rabies is a viral disease that attacks the nervous system, and it is almost always fatal once symptoms appear. In many developing countries, stray dogs roam freely and vaccination programs are limited. A single bite can transmit the virus, leading to a slow and painful death. Education and widespread vaccination are key to reducing these deaths, but for now, rabies remains a major threat in many parts of the world. Number 2. Snakes. Snakes kill approximately 100,000 people annually. Venomous species like cobras, vipers, and kraits are responsible for most of these deaths. Many victims live in rural areas where medical treatment is limited. Snake bites can cause paralysis, internal bleeding, and organ failure within hours. In India alone, an estimated 50,000 people die each year from snake bites. These numbers make snakes one of the deadliest animals to humans, even though they generally avoid contact with us. Number 1. Mosquitoes. And finally, mosquitoes are by far the deadliest animals in the world. They kill more than 1 million people every year, primarily by spreading diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever. Mosquitoes are found on every continent except Antarctica. Their ability to carry multiple deadly diseases makes them humanity's greatest enemy. One tragic example is malaria, which still kills hundreds of thousands of children every year in Africa. Despite efforts to control mosquito populations, these tiny insects continue to take more lives than any other animal. There you have it, the top 10 animals that kill the most humans every year. From tiny insects like mosquitoes and tsetse flies to massive animals like elephants and hippos, the world is full of creatures capable of ending a human life in an instant. What's most surprising is that many of these animals don't look dangerous at all. Who would have guessed that freshwater snails would be deadlier than lions, sharks, or wolves? Which of these animals shocked you the most? Did you expect snails to be on the list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more shocking facts and true stories.